Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is episode 2 of my home chef review series. Today we're going to be making the pork and blue cheese meatballs. This one in particular has 525 calories, 22 grams of carbs, 35 grams of fat, 32 grams of protein, and 1620 milligrams of sodium. So I have an update about the error in my box regarding the 2 servings and the 4 servings. Home Chef actually responded and they said that they were gonna check in with the production team to see what happened, why the mistake was made, but they did send me, or they did credit me $60 off my next week. So this week, the 2 meals, 4 servings, was supposed to have come out to $50 because I had like a, first time get $20 off thing. But next week is supposed to be $71 for 4 servings for 2 nights out of the week. And with the $60 off, I'm getting it for like 23 bucks. So that's pretty cool. This thing is gonna take about 30 minutes to bake in the oven. We've already got it preheated at 425 degrees. So let's get this unboxing underway and then we can throw everything together and get it cooking. Both packs have the same ingredients. So we have ground pork, 2 packets. And then we've got panko breadcrumbs. These are crispy onions. This is zesty buffalo sauce, blue cheese, ranch seasoning, the cauliflower, and then we have seasoned salt. So I do need to wash the cauliflower, so we'll get that done and dried. Again, the pan came kind of squashed, but it's aluminum, so I kind of expect that. So last week or the last episode, I actually just pushed out the dents because it's real easy. So we can just do that here, it's no big deal. Like I'm not gonna turn into Karen for the aluminum. Okay, so I'm gonna wash these, pat them dry, and then we'll get started on mixing the pork for the meatballs. Be right back. Okay, so first step is to break up the cauliflower into little bite-sized little bite-sized pieces. We're gonna add a half a teaspoon of oil, and then we're gonna use the ranch seasoning, mix it all up, and then throw it in the pan, get that ready. So let me get that cauliflower. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this. Let me move some stuff around, but this is a shitload of cauliflower. Look at that. So imagine breaking these up into little pieces like this. There's gonna be way more. That's just too much. And I can tell you right now, this is definitely gonna go to waste because I don't think the boys like cauliflower. I saw this TikTok video where it's supposed to be like a low-calorie snack, and so you dip the cauliflower in like an almond flour paste or batter, I guess, and then you crunch up some siete tortilla chips and you put it on there, you bake them, and then you dip them in buffalo sauce. I tried it, they're really, really good. Outside of that, I don't really normally eat cauliflower. So let's see if this ranch dressing is gonna make a difference. Look how much is already. Okay, I'll do the rest, and then if it sucks, no credit, right? No, if it sucks, I'll just doctor it. Maybe do like a cauliflower mash or cauliflower fried rice. That's pretty good. Half a teaspoon of oil. If I said 1 teaspoon before, it's not 1 teaspoon, it's half a teaspoon. So my bad. Which is cool because that's not a lot of oil. And no additional salt. Yay. I mean, outside of this, right? I'm sure that has plenty of salt, but. My lovely assistant is on strike. He was supposed to help me today, and he was gonna help me do the little meatballs on camera. And then I guess he got like, I wanna play games, I wanna watch videos. So it's just me, guys. I'm sorry if I suck. Okay, mix it all up. Okay, and then you're gonna divide them between the 2 trays. Should have been 4. I'm still upset about that, but oh, we'll make it work. I don't want to pack too much on there because I'm worried that it's not going to cook through all the way if they're all stacked and bunched on top of each other. So I'm just going to put the remainder in a little pan by itself and then shove it in there and let it cook with these guys. Okay, now it's time for the pork. So we're going to do ground pork. These are 85% lean, 15% fat, and they're 10 ounces each little packet. The little recipe card says that you're supposed to mix them, roll them up into little meatballs, golf shape or golf ball. Wow. Golf ball sized meatballs, and they're supposed to be 6 per tray. So I feel like the more I get into these, the more I'm certain that they definitely only sent me for 2 servings. Even though on here it says, where did I read it? Here it says serving size 4 ounces, servings per container 2.5. So leads you to believe. I guess it's just like if you were to eat a patty, it would be 2 patties. Always remember, guys, when you're dealing with raw pork, chicken, red meat, any kind of raw protein, make sure you wash your hands before you touch anything else. I'm gonna wash my hands and my scissors. Okay, now the seasoning. Smells very, I don't know if this makes sense, but like seasoning, like it's, I don't know. Chez bleu cheese. Chez panko. And then combine thoroughly. Okay. Let's do those meatballs. It's supposed to be 6 per tray. So, see that. What do you think, golf ball? Can you see? I don't know. Hopefully it focused. If not, we'll just cut it out. Somebody once told me that I have like this super mega bitch face, right? Because like when I don't smile, I look super pissed off all the time. But then I'm like, well, I'm focused for one. And then like, am I supposed to be smiling like a crazy person while I'm, you know, cooking? So like, do you want me essentially to look like this? Like for like an hour. I mean, isn't that creepy? That's kind of creepy. I don't know, I think it's dumb. But like, if you don't like my face, I mean, I can't do anything about it. I'm not gonna get plastic surgery. I'm poor. Poor people don't do that. Okay, so I think I have enough for one more meatball. So we'll go ahead and put it in the little tray with this, because it definitely doesn't fit in these. Okay, now we're gonna pop these guys. This big ass meatball. I'm gonna wash my hands first, but hold on. Now that these are ready, we're gonna pop them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 425 degrees, uncovered. And hopefully that's the right time, because last time it wasn't. Or maybe, I was thinking, maybe I had to cook it longer because I put them on the baking sheet. I don't know, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I'm gonna pop these in there and we'll be back in a snap. All right, lovely people, we are back. I've already dressed the meatballs with the buffalo sauce, and then I threw the crispy French onions on top of the cauliflower. What I like about these little pans is that they're not hot. I just pulled it out of the oven at 30 minutes. The card was right this time, woohoo. But I can hold it with my hands. And so I kind of want to just get like a little bit of a closer look. You guys will see a better picture in the thumbnail. So let's get the show on the road. I'm gonna go with the cauliflower first. So then remember, the meatball has blue cheese cooked into it, or like mixed into it. So like there's little chunks, you can see it kind of melting. The cauliflower has the ranch seasoning, so I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. Okay, so thoughts. Shut up, Alexa, nobody called you. Sorry. Thoughts. The cauliflower is really good. I don't get that earthy taste that it normally has, which is why I don't normally eat cauliflower, but it's, I guess the ranch is kind of pulling away from that. It's cooked all the way through, but it's both soft and crunchy. It still's got a little bit of a crunch, still the fresh produce texture, if you will. Now, the meatballs, there's nothing really special about them. I thought that, you know, with the blue cheese and the buffalo sauce, that it would really change the game. But, it's just a regular meatball, nothing special. Oh, and then the cauliflower with the sauce, I feel like you can dip it, but just get a little bit because the sauce is really strong, the flavor. It tastes really good. I actually like the cauliflower more than I like the meatballs. Okay. And then of course my bubbly. This is cherry flavored, it's really good. Remember guys, I'm not sponsored by anybody. So let's like and subscribe, get the word out there so we can get sponsored. That would be super cool. Well, that's it for this video, guys. This was, this took no time at all to put together, as you guys saw. It took about 30 minutes to cook. It's okay. I would give it like a 7 out of 10. You know, the pork just really, it's just so basic. Like, I don't, it's missing seasoning, I guess. But yeah, Well, thank you for watching as always. I appreciate the views. Like and subscribe, don't forget. And I will see you guys at the next video. And hopefully I'll have another update about the whole mix up with the serving sizes or the servings that they sent me. So y'all stay safe out there and have a good night. Toodaloo.